Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets in electronics. Today, we have something exciting to talk about: the VIZIUUY Solar Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor. Let's dive right in. The VIZIUUY Solar Security Cameras offer cutting-edge features designed to keep your home safe and secure. With 3 megapixels resolution and 360-degree pan-tilt functionality, these cameras provide crystal-clear footage and comprehensive coverage of your property. What sets these cameras apart is their solar-powered design, ensuring continuous operation without the hassle of frequent battery changes or wiring. Plus, with built-in motion detection and customizable alert settings, you'll only receive notifications for relevant events, reducing false alarms and saving you time. Controlling the cameras is a breeze thanks to the intuitive CloudEdge app. From live viewing to two-way audio communication, you can monitor your home from anywhere with just a few taps on your smartphone. Whether it's day or night, rain or shine, these cameras have you covered. With color night vision and IP66 waterproof rating, you can trust them to deliver clear footage in any conditions. But wait, there's more. The VIZIUUY Solar Security Cameras also support cloud storage, Alexa compatibility, and even AI-powered analytics for advanced security needs. Plus, with a generous warranty and lifetime support, you can rest easy knowing you're backed by reliable customer service. And that wraps up our review of the VIZIUUY Solar Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor. If you're looking for a hassle-free solution to protect your home, look no further. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unbiased product reviews. Until next time, stay safe and informed. This is Product Critique, signing off.